So students, good morning. So today our topic will be types of shares. Ami issue of shares korilu yar agot. Now types of shares. Okay. So basically there are two types of shares: equity shares and preference shares. So hihotor equity shares or preference shares concept to clear koribole, you should know the difference. What are the main difference between this equity share and preference share? So for example, say there is a company XYZ. XYZ, and there are two persons A and B. Both of them have purchased shares from XYZ. So in this way, both A and B will be owners of this company. But A has purchased equity shares and B has purchased preference shares. ठीक है से? Now what is the difference between this equity share and preference share? Because both are shares, right? Both will be giving ownership right to A and B. Both the type of shares. Now let us see what are the difference between this equity share and preference shares. So first thing is, when XYZ will be earning profit, it has to pay what? Dividend to A and B. So the A will be there is no fixed rate of dividend for A. ठीक है से? A कोनो fixed rate नहीं. Every year the company will decide, the board of director will decide how much amount of profit will be given, dividend will be given to A. So there is no fixed rate of dividend. But for B, since he's holding preference shares, he will have a fixed rate of dividend. Say for example 12%. ठीक है से? So it doesn't matter profit किमान होय, company profit किमान होय, profit high हो पारे, low हो पारे, okay, but B will be getting dividend at a fixed rate, which is 12% for example. किंतु A कोनो fixed rate नहीं. ठीक है से? Next is, on the time of payment of dividend, dividend दिया जिता time होबो, B, since he is holding preference shares, he will be getting the preference on payment of dividend. He will be getting the dividend before A. A pisot pabo. Agote B A lobo dividend to. Tar pisot hai B diar pisot hai, the equity shareholder will be getting the dividend. ठीक है से? Now, ita for example dhora as a XYZ is going for winding up. It is going to close down its business. So business close down korile, it has to sell off its assets in order to settle its liabilities and also for repayment of capital to its shareholders. ठीक है से? So XYZ assets sell korile, first it will be going to pay off its liabilities. Okay, tar pisot capital repayment or homo ahibo je, who will get the capital first? B. Okay, on winding up, repayment of capital will be given to B first, since he is holding preference shares. So here also he will be getting the preference, and after B gets जिमान amount of capital basi thake, that will be given to A. ठीक है से? Okay. Now next ahi gol voting rights or kotha hai. Itia resolutions pass hoy, right? আমি ক্লাছতো কৰিছোঁ resolutions pass যেতিয়া হয়, লাগিলে সেইটো special resolution হওক, general resolution হওক, for any matter of the company, we need majority vote of the shareholders. So a majority vote কোনবোৰ shareholders পৰা ল'ম? Equity shareholders. A only has the right to give the vote in all matters of the company. B hetu right nai. Preference shareholder hetu right nai. But yes, his rights, B voting rights to restricted in for some matters. Okay, preference shareholders can give their vote. Okay, but so we can say that their voting right is restricted. Why? Because for all matters of the company jimane regular matters of tate preference shareholder vote dibo noare. Only A has a voting right. ठीक है से? And another important difference is that इत्या dhora A is holding equity shares, right? So A wants to sell off his shares. A নিজৰ share খিনি বেচিব বিচাৰিছে. ক'ত বেচিব পাৰিব? In the stock exchange. A can sell his shares in the stock exchange. Thus, equity shares can be traded in the stock exchange. Ita B bisarise preference shares sell koribo. Can he sell in the stock exchange? No, because preference shares cannot be traded in the stock exchange. Now you can ask that, acha stock exchange jodi sell koribo nware, then B jodi sell koribo bisarise preference shares keneke sell koribo. Okay, so in this case there may be two options First is the company can buy back the shares of the of B. Otherwise, B can also convert the preference shares into equity shares. The equity share convert होৱাৰ লগে লগে to you can trade it in the stock exchange. Buzila? So this was the main difference between equity shares and preference shares. Okay,